Okay everybody, this is Rich Netto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector in Notary Public. So right now I'm over at Margaritaville, and this cool looking 2-bedroom home that you're about to see, which is kind of like a peach color. I like it, it's like peach and blue. Is a home with a pool. Now the pool homes are something that people have been asking about for a long time, but the problem over here was that they really weren't building too many with a pool. Now to have this inventory home, now keep in mind because it's inventory, it might have things on the wall like tape, it might not be 100% completed, stuff like that. So back to the pools, they are currently building homes with pools now, but the community for new homes is coming to an end, so not too much left as far as inventory goes and the time left to buy. Especially with how fast the homes are selling pretty much everywhere. In Orlando and Kissimmee, these new home communities are going quick. So if you are interested in a home over here or anyplace else, please contact me first before you head over to any home builder. Contact me to get a showing, and also keep your free realtor representation. Now, if you do head off to the home builder alone, or you contact them through their website, email them, show up in person, anything that identifies you, such as phone number, email, the builder knowing your face, it typically avoids your free realtor representation. And that's a common statement with communities pretty much everywhere. And it's not something that you want, because you want people working for you in the process. Remember, sales teams at builders everywhere are not working for you. You can see how nice the pool is, but there's just a ton of construction going on, and there's a ton of dust and dirt blowing around right now, so. Did want you to see it though. And you can see you got a nice fenced in area. And again, it's not 100% completed because it is inventory. Now let's just take a quick look at the floors too. Beautiful floors in this home. You can see how nice the cabinets are as well. The sink. These homes have some nice looking upgrades in them, there's no doubt about that. There's storage under the stairs. Now surprisingly, this is one of my favorite homes over here, the 2-bedroom. I do have a video of a furnished model. Now if you have any questions, please do contact me. You can get me by phone, text, or email, but sometimes emails and texts vanish, so always make sure that you give me a call just to make sure that we are going to be working together. Especially if you haven't heard back from me in about a day or two, if you have sent an email. And you can see over here is the balcony. You got a nice place to sit. So this home is kind of nice too, because let's just say you only needed a 1 bedroom. You could put your bedroom up on the first floor or the second floor. And you can have the other room for something else. So if you do want to be in the rental program over here, you do have to purchase the furniture package. Now I'm up about 5 steps right now, just so you can see it. The home definitely has some nice flexibility, because this room over here could be either a bedroom or it could just be a sitting room. You do have the bathroom. You do have the bathroom that's right over here, which is really nice. So you really have some nice flexibility in a small home, which might be excellent for anywhere from 1 person to maybe 3 people or 4 people. And thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm no pressure sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer's agent. And it's super important to have people working for you in the process. A good realtor, a home inspector, and a real estate attorney are always great to have. And again, any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. Thank you.